how to copy and paste on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can copy and paste on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Copying and pasting on the iPhone is very simple. Open up any of the application that maybe you might want to copy the messages of, and all you have to do is just long press on it, and then here you'll find the choose to copy it or maybe paste it. And now you can just send this to any of the other people by just long pressing on it, just pasting it just like you do on Android as well. Now if this is not what you're looking for in this case, so let me go ahead and cancel this. Sometimes you might want to copy paste a photo. That is also possible. All you have to do is just long press on a certain photo over here. Once you long press on it, you can also keep adding other photos and then just go back to your home screen. Do not release it, and now you can open any application to whom maybe you want to send these photos here, and then once you select them, you can just tap on it and then release the pictures, and then they will get successfully sent on there as well. So these are the copy paste and the drag and drop features on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.